Today we are going to make a sandwich cookie that has deep hazelnut flavor, buttery goodness with some ganache in between. And I can promise you that this is going to be the best sandwich cookie that you'll ever make. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. Let's start the recipe by mixing the dough for the cookie. For this, we'll mix together butter, brown sugar and vanilla essence. Make sure you are not creaming the butter and sugar, as creaming will make the cookie expand and we don't want that to happen in this cookie. Now we'll take all-purpose flour, some powdered hazelnut, also known as hazelnut flour, and salt. Don't forget to sieve them before mixing. Mix with your hand to get the proper ball of dough. We'll now roll out the dough and the thickness should be 5 mm. Now using a flour cutter, we'll give shape to our cookies. After this, we'll place our cookies in a baking tray lined with perforated mat. We'll bake these cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Before we get back to the recipe, let me tell you about our upcoming online 4-day Christmas baking workshop. This is one of the most awaited online courses in which we are going to teach you 4 amazing Christmas special eggless recipes. And I can assure you both your families and customers will love you for them. So simply click on the registration link available in the description area below and enroll for the course today. For ganache, we'll take melted chocolate and mix warm cream into it until we get a smooth consistency. Now let's proceed to the assembly part. As you can see, our cookies are baked perfectly and has completely cooled down. We'll take one cookie and pipe some ganache and place another cookie on top and press a little. We'll do the same with other cookies as well. Lastly, we'll drizzle some melted chocolate on top. Here you go, the hazelnut cookies are ready to serve. I hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon every time we post a new recipe.